Assalamu alaikum everyone, Satya Gondal here again from Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing grade 5 chapter number 9, being grateful. So let's continue. Now let's learn about different forms of verbs. There are two forms of verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs. Regular verbs are those verbs in which in the past form and in past participle form we use ed. For example, gather, gathered, gathered. What is irregular verb? Irregular verb is the verb in which the past form and the past participle form has different spellings and they do not end with ed. For example, run, ran, ran. Now let's complete this column. The first verb is wait. The past form of this regular verb wait would be waited, and past participle form would be waited again. Next word is blank. Past form is also blank, but past participle form is given, that is frozen. The past form of frozen would be froze, and the base form would be freeze, which is an irregular, which is going to end with irregular verbs, froze or frozen. Next is sleep. Sleep's past form would be slept, and past participle form would be slept again. Now let's learn the art of making subject, verb, object sentences. You know subject is any noun, verb is the action, and object is the thing which is receiving the action. For example, the cat is drinking milk. Here the cat is subject, drinking is verb, and milk is object. Sentence number 2, Osama threw a ball. Osama is subject, threw is verb, ball object. Maria completed her project. Maria is subject, completed is verb, and project is object. The children are reciting the Holy Quran. Here the children is subject, reciting is verb, and Holy Quran is object. Now let's write a short paragraph on the topic good behavior by using this subject, verb, object pattern. The paragraph is, we should always show good behavior. It makes us productive citizens of the society. Good behavior includes showing kindness, care, and polite attitude towards others. It also means helping others when they need our help. We should always practice good behavior as it makes us favorite in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's do writing skills now, in which we would be learning how to use hyphen. Hyphen is a dash, it's a punctuation mark which is used to join number in words, for example 22. It can also be used to show quantity, example 12-hour clock. And it can also be used to join fractions, for example 1/3. Now let's make 10 more words using these hyphen correctly. 3-hour wait, which becomes 3-hour wait. Next word is 10-minute. 10-minute journey. Next word is 5-day. 5-day holiday. Next, 500-meter. 500-meter race. Next, 42. 40-2 coins. 3-page story. 3-page story. 500-word paragraph. 4-foot. 4-foot table. 2-week break. 2-week break. 12-hour 12-hour clock. Now let's fill in the blanks with the help of the word bank. This chapter gives us the message to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all his blessings. This story is about an old blind man holding a signboard in his hands. Signboard is written, I'm blind, please help me. One man notices this, makes some changes on it. He writes, today is a beautiful day, but I cannot see it. This gives us the message that we should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for his countless blessings. And in the last, you have been asked to do an activity by filling the given mind map. What you can do is, the main idea is blessings of Allah, and then you can make a mind map out of this topic. The first idea can be, you should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of touch, sense of taste. Dear teachers, आप students से ये कह सकते हैं कि having eyes is a great blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It helps us to see the beautiful nature around us. Thank you so much for watching. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. Keep watching and keep yourself connected to Javed Publishers' Bolti Kitabain.